So today let's work on another exercise, and this one for the left hand, and one by George Neikrug. This is a finger independence exercise, sometimes called finger strengthening exercises, sometimes called trill exercises. Even if we don't have a method book, we can just realize that by permuting the pairs of fingers, the fingers in different combinations, we can cycle through warming up all the fingers against each other. So 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 1 and 3, 2 and 4, and then 1 and 4. George Neikrug, one of the things that he advocated was starting with an open string so that we always, on the beat, were accenting the lifting of the hand, practicing strengthening the lifting muscles, which are so valuable. So I would play, instead of 1, 2, 1, 2, I would play 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2. Which is definitely the easiest in the pattern. I want to point out 1 goes down at exactly the same instant as 2, and 1 does not move when 2 lifts. 1 does not care whether 2 is up or down. And 3, 2, 2 stay passive when 3 lifts. 4, 3, 3, 1, what have I, 4, 2, and then 4, 1. For as long as it takes for the fingers to feel that they're warmed up. Then you can combine the groupings if you want, 0, 3, 0, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3. Right? 0, 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. Harder to say than it is to play. Or all of them combined. So it's an excellent exercise. The fact that it starts on an open string keeps you really feeling like you're lifting as much as you are dropping the fingers. Of course, both are important, but we got a lot more muscles that do the dropping part than we do the lifting part. So at the end of working through something like that, your fingers feel really independent and awake. So have fun with it.